Indiana University found that human factors caused or contributed to 93% of crashes investigated. Now, tonight I'm going to tell you how self driving cars and all their new developments will change driving for all of us. Now, there are 221.7 million licensed drivers. Now, with that many drivers, it is important for all of us to know how self driving cars will affect us all in the future. Now, to go into detail about self-driving cars, I will be first discussing human recognition, then automatic parking, and public safety. Now, to start with, so there has been new developments with human recognition, and so with self-driving cars, they have sensor features that can detect many objects. But when it comes to human recognition, it is a little bit more difficult because with human, there is a high degree of flexibility and variability. Now, what this means is that with humans, we all look different with different shapes and sizes, along with clothes. So it's a little bit more difficult to know and detect humans along with the human recognition. So, although this is a problem, in 2018, the article A Method for Improvised Pedestrian Gesture Recognition in Self-Driving Cars showed that with their experiments that they have found a method that has improved human gesture recognition by 94% accuracy. So now that you've learned a little bit about human recognition and how there has been new developments with that, there has also been new developments with parking a car. So, along with the human recognition, with self-parking, there are some problems with it. And in the article, Why Are Parking Lots So Tricky for Self-Driving Cars?, it states that navigating a parking lot is one of the most difficult things Elon Musk or anyone really could ask a self-driving vehicle to do. So, it shows that parking is a problem for self-driving cars, but in the Journal of Automatic Mobile Robotics and Intelligent Systems, it states that a new method that will improve automatic parking. Now, this method discusses how there has been more accuracy with parking. So now that I've told you a little bit about the developments with human recognition and parking, there has also been new regulations towards public safety to improve self-driving cars. So on March 2018, Elaine Herzberg was the first person to die due to self-driving cars. So now with this, in the article When Rubber Meets the Road, Balancing Innovation and Public Safety in the Regulation of Self-Driving Cars, it discusses how there should be less regulations when testing self-driving cars. Now this might be scary, but that is just one aspect to things, because in the article it also discusses how the government has many organizations in place that will ensure the public safety, such as FMVSS and NHTSA. So, all in all, my main point is that with self-driving cars, there is good and bad. Now, I want you to remember that with the change of self-driving cars, the good is that there has been improvements in human recognition, and there has been also improvements with parking. But along with that, you shouldn't fear the new developments of self-driving cars, because the government is always there to ensure the safety of drivers. So after all you know today, you can learn a little bit more about why, as a driver and a future driver, that it is important to know about self-driving cars and all of their new developments, because all in all, this will affect our future. Thank you.